What's up, guys? How's it going? This is Seth, your chartist, and today I will be discussing SPY. Today is 9th March, and I tried to upload the video earlier, but trading there's some issue with TradingView, so it was not letting me upload it. Anyways, I'm going to discuss everything here now. So this level is very important. For more than a month I've been mentioning 391, 391, 391, and I didn't trade nothing here. All right. I traded, I shorted, I bought puts here today and enjoyed this drop and then exited here because my level is like still it's good. I am long here. I already exited my options and created some positions with stock right here 391.30. That's when I entered SPY. Anyways, now I clearly mentioned in the video, in the previous video, if you want to check, you can go and check it out. I said that I want SPY to come down with these type of doji candles, all right? Because this is telling me that selling pressure is, selling is being absorbed, all right, and new buying came in, and now I clearly said I never wanted SPY or any, like, if you're trading any stock, I don't want price to come like this with these big red candles, because this is denoting selling pressure. So there is selling pressure in the market for sure, right? What can go against me here? I'm going to discuss that. First of all, trend is not with us, and I know how to play against the trend. If price would have on look at the bottom, if on Wednesday, March 1st, price would have come and touched this level, then I would have played against the trend. I am still playing against that trend. I've created positions at 391.30. I've entered here. The thing is, this would have been a very good trade, all right? But now, trend is against us. Second, selling pressure is too much. Third, um, Apple, Microsoft, Google, Tesla, uh, J&J, United Health, I think UNH, right? These all stocks are very strong, heavy stocks. They have a lot of weightage in S&P 500. So they are nowhere near the demand zones. So let's put it like that. It's just SPY that has hit the demand zone here with a lot of selling pressure. So let's see what happens, but you can expect an up move here. If it breaks, this is the level which needs to be traded. It's clear. So what happened today was, this is the black line is EMA 20, the red line is EMA 50. So today, uh, price was stopped by EMA 20. All right, daily EMA 20. So I'm gonna go on lower time frames. In the previous video, I clearly mentioned that this is a poor supply zone, and weekly also this is a poor supply zone. But these are supply zones, and we cannot ignore them. All right. So price goes into this supply zone, and it started coming down from here, right? But you never know, what if it's a poor one, right? What if it would have broken this? Then I would have gone long from here or here. That's why these I didn't erase these power zones here. um, Now, so price goes here, right? And then it started coming down from there. I mentioned it clearly. Anyways, I'm gonna go on smaller time frames. So there was a supply zone here, a poor one. But this is the origin of this supply. So price goes in here and started coming down. And while coming down, it created two more supply zones. One is this, one is this. All right. If you want to learn more about demand and supply, let me know in the comments below, and we can go from there. But right now, understand, this is a supply zone, this is a supply zone. All right. And I was, when price came here, I got into option buying. I bought a call here, and I was like, it can go to 404, and then I'm going to short it, right? That's what my plan was, because these supply zones are better than, this one, whatever you see here. This is also a supply zone. And this power zone one here is like a good one, like decent, not a good. It's non-tradable, but what I saw was this, whatever because buying is distributed here, so whatever buying came here, it has actually killed all of this consolidation, so it gapped down and started going up. So my plan was that this is a better shorting zone, these two purple boxes. So I was like, if it goes from here to here, I'll short it and enjoy this drop. But while I was working out in the gym in the morning, what I noticed was this is a supply zone. This is a supply zone here. So price goes in here, and then it created a wick, right? And stock SPY started losing momentum. So what I noticed after this red candle, when this closed, what I noticed was, look at the wick. I'm talking logics now. Very important, all right? So what I noticed was, I'm going to remove this. Look at the wick of this at 401.58, and then it could have gone. I exited after the closing of this candle. So look at the wick and look at this wick. It couldn't close over this. On the other hand, it actually closed below where the buying started. All right, because EMA 20 started stopping this. So what I figured out was, this is a high and this is a lower high. If you'll go on smaller time frames, chances are you will see lower high, lower low structure. This is in depth price action, and it's very clear when we are comparing the wicks of two candles. It's creating lower high and lower low. I can see that. All right. So when it closed, I shorted it here and enjoyed this drop. This was the reason, because this is a supply zone. I saw the closing of these two candles, and then trend was down only. All right. So I shorted it and enjoyed this whole rally. My major concern was this one, because the new buying came from here. So when the new buying was destroyed, it hit here. I exited. This is crystal clear logic. All right. And it can, of course it can break this, because I've explained you the logics, right? But if it breaks it, I have plan B here as well, 382. One more thing is that QQQ, right, it needs to go to 278. Technically it needs to go there, and then if spy if SPY comes to this level here, 382, and at the same time QQQ comes to 278 and 275, uh, that would be a golden trade. Honestly, I'm mentioning this. Mark my words. It's 9th of March. I'm saying if SPY comes to 382.50, this box, and QQQ come to 278, let me open this here. If spy QQQ come to 277, this box here, 273, this box, we'll have a golden trade. All right. Anyways, this was it, guys. I hope you are able to understand logics, and this is not a fluke. And I'm very confident why I traded this supply zone here, and I enjoyed this drop and exited at the same time. So I made money in just like 3 hours, but I never traded any of this garbage here. So just be sure whatever you're trading, it's better to wait, right? Better than regretting. So just wait and wait for your levels. There's a golden crossover here as well. So I'm trying to put some things in my favor as well. And too much buying, selling pressure is here. So I don't care. I actually entered and created some positions here. This was it, guys. If you liked the video, make sure you follow me and let me know in the comments if you have any doubts, and we can discuss it from there. So have a wonderful trading week. Avoid options. The tip is avoid options. All right. Take care. Have a good one. We'll see you in another video. Till then, have a good one. Bye bye.